Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an action button to your Facebook business page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first you'll need to open up Facebook, then click on your profile icon on the top right. Then once you're on here, just go to Pages and select whichever page you want to do this on. That'll give you the option to switch, so just select that. Then again, click on your profile icon on the top right and go onto your page. Then you should see three dots on the right hand side, so just select that. And you should see near the top Edit Action button, so select that. And then it'll give you the option to edit buttons, so it'll let you know at the top you can have one or two buttons shown on your page to help people contact you, support you, or link to your website or app. So just select Edit Buttons. Then it'll just give you a range of options. So you can obviously have WhatsApp, emails, book now, view shop, get tickets, or you can link your website or app. So just pick whichever one you prefer. Then select Save at the bottom. And once that is done, if you come out of here, it should give you the option to view as. So as you can see, it gives you the option to get tickets here. Obviously it doesn't work on my profile here, but that's how you can add an action button to your Facebook business page. Thanks for watching.